All right, class, let's go through some of these questions that you're supposed to do. So question number 2 says a gallon of regular gasoline was 33.9 cents in 1969. What would it be using 2007 dollars? So we took the CPI, okay, from 1969, which was 35.6. So we went over here, 35.6, put it on the bottom because we know that, and the price. Now, when it says 33.9 cents, really, how do you write that? You write it 0.339. Otherwise, you're writing it as $33.90. Okay? Then you go ahead and you divide 202, which is 2007's CPI down here. Okay, so 202 divided by 35.6 times 0.339 equals $1.92. So when somebody paid 33.9 cents back in 1969, it was equivalent in 2007 somebody paying $1.92. And back in 2007, okay, gas was probably right around there, maybe a little bit higher. Number 3, okay, it goes through and talks about a car. So what you had to do is you had to go through and figure out that 1964 car that cost $2,500, how much would it be in 1999 dollars? So 1999 CPI is on top, 1964 CPI is on bottom, and then you times it by the 2,500 in 1964. Okay, the Mustang should cost, just based off inflation, if the prices went up the same as inflation, $13,000 or $13,293. Okay, now up here it said the car cost $18,000. So how much more? You take the $18,000 minus that, it's $4,707 above what the inflated price would ended up being. So basically car prices went up faster than inflation. Why? Because some of the things that go into cars like air conditioning, power brakes, power windows, all those extra technological things that go into it. Number 4 says an LP record cost $4.97 in 1970. So you have to figure out in 2006 dollars. So 2006 goes on top because that's what you're looking for, the final price. Remember, the base, okay, is the one that you know the price and the year. So we knew 1970, so we took 1970's CPI 37.8, 1970's cost of that record, $4.97. We go ahead and divide this into this, times it by that, and $26 is what a record should cost based off inflation. And of course, we all know that record CDs, things like that, cost less than $26 nowadays. And the reason why? Because technology has made it cheaper for those things to be made. Plus, live streaming, being able to download stuff, and so on, makes it easier. Number 5, okay, the original Star Wars. This is the actual price that a guy paid. I saw his ticket, one of my old professors, 52 cents, okay, to go see Star Wars back in 1978. So if you convert it, 1978 CPI divided into 2006 CPI, okay, from the charts over here, times it by 52 cents. Basically, a movie in 2006 should cost $1.64, except for movies do cost more than that. And in 2006, the movie prices were about $4 per ticket. And the reason that prices went up faster than inflation is because of actors, because of technology, like with the new graphics and all the people that have to be paid, the demand, more people going to them, the movie theaters with the nicer seats and so on. All right, number 6, a Wisconsin deer hunting license. And I looked up this information. This is what it was. Okay, back in 1940, old grandpa paid $1 for his deer hunting license back in 1940. So what would a Wisconsin deer hunting license, what should it be based off inflation today? You go ahead and take the 13.9 from 1940, divide it into 2003 CPI, okay, times it by the dollar, and a deer hunting license back in 2003 should cost $13.07 over in Wisconsin, and it was approximately right around that. I think at that time it was a little bit higher. So basically, licenses have gone up a little bit faster than inflation. And the last one, you convert $7, okay, into 1971 money. So the $7, remember, okay, this is from 2006. So you got to take the $7 here, and you got to put the 2006 CPI on the bottom. Okay, now we're kind of reversing. We're taking this $7 and going back in time, okay, and saying back in 1971, that $7 would have had the buying power of $1.40. Okay, now that person was making $2.04 an hour babysitting. When you look at that, you think that's a horrible salary. Okay, but $7 in today's money is worse than, okay, that $2.04, because that $7 would only have the buying power of $1.40. So this 204, okay, probably would have been equal to making somewhere around $8 or $9 per hour, okay, in 2006 dollars. All right, if you have any questions on any of those, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, that's how you convert money based off of inflation throughout time.